The Deadverse build has been updated. These are some of the background pictures and add-ons that are in that build. It is a big build, fully loaded build. I don't know what else I can say. I don't know if they're going to make any more movies together. I quite enjoyed it because it had Blade in it and you get to see Deadpool and Wolverine fight. Apart from that, I don't know. Alright guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.